All right, let's talk about something that is a total game changer. We're going to break down how one tiny, simple change in the way you speak can completely transform how people see you professionally. It's powerful, it's easy, and you can literally start using it the second this is over. So tell me if this sounds familiar. You're sitting in a meeting, you've got this fantastic idea, you know it's good, but when you finally speak up, it's like your words just vanish into thin air. It is so frustrating, right? Well, what if I told you the problem isn't your idea at all? It's probably a sneaky, invisible habit in the way you talk. Something most of us do without even thinking about it, and it's actively undermining your authority before you even get to the good stuff. So what is this secret communication killer? It has a name: apology prefixes. And this right here is the key. This is the invisible barrier that might be stopping you from really being heard. Let's unmask it. So what exactly is an apology prefix? Think of it as any little phrase you stick on the front of a sentence that softens it up too much. We think we're just being polite, but what we're actually doing is weakening our own point. It's a verbal tick that just quietly sabotages your own credibility. Okay, but here's the greatness. There is a super simple, direct, and really effective fix. It's all about swapping out one kind of phrase for another, and it makes all the difference. Okay, take a look at this classic example. I'm sorry, just a quick thought. Really think about what you're saying there. I'm sorry, you're literally apologizing for having an opinion. And just a quick thought, you're basically telling everyone in the room, hey, what I'm about to say isn't very important. You've already devalued your own idea before anyone else even hears it. And this is the aha moment. Just look at the difference. On the left, you have that apology, that uncertainty. But on the right, boom. Here's a recommendation. It's confident. It's direct. It doesn't ask for permission. It just offers value. That one shift is everything. So why does such a tiny change have such a massive impact? It feels almost too simple, right? Well, let's get into the psychology of how you go from sounding timid to being trusted. This chart really says it all, doesn't it? When you use one of those apology prefixes, your perceived authority just tanks. It's way down there. But the moment you switch to a direct statement, it shoots right up. And this is not about being rude, not at all. It's about signaling expertise. And this is the absolute heart of it. Confidence is contagious. When you present your ideas directly, you're sending out this powerful signal that you believe in what you're saying. And that conviction makes it so much easier for everyone else to believe in your ideas and in you. Okay, so you get the problem, you get the solution. Now for the really good part, how you can start claiming your authority right away in your very next conversation. It really just boils down to a simple two-step process. First, just start listening to yourself talk. Become aware of when you say things like, sorry, but, or this might be a dumb question. Awareness is honestly half the battle. Then, step 2, when you catch yourself, just consciously replace it. Delete the apology and lead with your actual point. And that is the real takeaway here. It's not just what you say, but the frame you put around it. Your ideas are good, and they deserve to be heard with the authority they're built on. So the only question left is, how are you going to rephrase your next idea?